He gets right in the middle of a storm.
Yeah.
Go let these turkeys out.
Come on, guys.
Hey, grab that grabber. Come on. They're very reluctant. Supposed to have severe weather come in here in a little bit, maybe. Ducks are loving it. Mary Floppins, what are you doing out here?
Meow, meow, meow. Come on.
Playing in the mud puddles. And you got the Welshes. Turkey! They're already bigger than the chickens.
Yeah, they're not really wanting to go in the coop anymore. They go in because I touched their tail feathers and make them go in.
Yeah, they're being very reluctant this morning to get out.
Stretch your legs and you can go back in. Kevin.
Kevin. Ghost. They ain't afraid of you. There he is. I was sleeping. You stupid handsome woke me up. They kind of remind me of ostriches, the way they walk.
They don't have to make their door bigger.
Yeah.
Seriously?
I guess Handsome is going to be a baby and stay in. It's raining, I don't want to.
Give him my little peachy boats.
Yeah. You're a little diva. For a rooster, you're an awful big diva. Look at, come on, guys.
You guys, y'all can stay in. You're fine.
You're fine. Come on, let's go outside. Handsome, get out of there. What the heck was that? Like flying overhead or something. Nick.
Let me squish by.
You're wearing your boots.
Yep.
And get all yucky.
I didn't think I was going to wear my shoes out here.
Yeah.
We have a river runs through it up there.
I wore mine. Splashing through the mud and the muck. Chicken, baby.
Hang on, guys.
You got a whole bunch of eggies.
None this morning so far. Excuse you. What do you think you're doing?
He's like, but I'm a chick. I'm a chickie.
I'll go bring some food out.
Wind's starting to pick up.
Hey,
Come on.
y'all gonna get cold and wet.
They'll be coming back in. After a while. Well, don't look like even with these screens open that they got any water in here.
Mm-mm.
Ew. Yuck. Yucky. I said they were yucky. Nice pajama shorts and your train station shirt.
Yep.
Toot toot.
That's how we do around here. And boots.
Toots my
Put a hole
boots.
in it.
You been drinking? Huh? Or walking sideways? About a low rent looking crew, aren't you?
How we doing this morning? Remember, stay out of pools and bodies of water, okay? Meow. Oh.
Forgot to close that, didn't you?
Excuse me, ma'am. Andre the Giant just jumps in there and scares the baby. He says, "What you look like?"
Like Chicken Godzilla. Here, take that. All right. Did y'all have a party last night? Every single one of you looks all disheveled and walking sideways. Good night.
Oh, you got something hanging from your bait. I know, y'all are looking for food. They're like, what's the deal? You come out here, you're supposed to bring food.
Sorry, you guys can suffer.
I'll bring you out food.
I actually want to take a walk down. I guess it don't matter. We got more storms rolling in. We'll be
fine. Let's go for a walk. We got shelter. We got a grounded path. We're good.
Yeah. Be careful, it's slick. Slicker than a rooster wearing socks.
Typically, the person that says that ends up being the one that slips.
I didn't hear a word you said.
I said typically the one that says that ends up being the one that slips.
Yeah.
And with as clumsy as I am,
Yeah.
let's not slip.
Huh? Are you really? Like, you're as bad at holding an umbrella as you are holding a flashlight. I'm 36 years old. I still can't hold it right. I'll poke you in the ear with it. Meh. Not even raining. Weirdo.
You know what?
Chicken butt. Literally.
See what happens?
Yeah, you
tripped.
poked me in the ear with. I didn't trip. Fudge nipples. Oh, really? You're gonna get grounded.
Huh?
You're gonna be grounded. The river runs through it. Oh yeah, we're definitely leaking. Hey, we're dry as a bone where it's painted. That's good. Well, I mean, okay, maybe not completely, but it's not peeing over here, it's just peeing over there. Oh, I felt the drip. Dang. Well, the ladder's wet. Yeah, it's definitely a lot better where the floor is painted versus the unpainted.
Yeah.
So, cool. Well, it did work. Oh yeah? Call that Ninja Mama? Alright. Well? Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. I guess we're gonna throw some feed out and go eat breakfast. So we'll holler at you.
See ya.
Maybe.